So here we are in I-40 East. Just left the Hartford exit. We're heading towards Asheville, going Hurricane Creek. Here we got the first trail on I-40 coming from the Tennessee side. We're in North Carolina now. The second tunnel is where we get ready to bang left. Here we are coming up on Tunnel 2. Right after you come through this tunnel is where you're going to make your play. You're going to that side of the interstate. A lot better than going all the way up to make a U come down. I think it's a pretty good haul, like 5 to 7 miles or something. If you make your U-turn, same way going back. I'll show y'all the whole thing so everybody knows. Alright, here we come out the tunnel, and here's where I make my left. I mean, it's right there as soon as you come out the tunnel. You're going to take the culvert up and over. Alright, and here you are. Other side of I-40. Wait until she's clear and then give her the go. It'll be a lot quicker than going up to bang the UE. As soon as this guardrail ends, I'm gonna bang her right. Ready for it, it'll creep up on you. And here we are, Hurricane Creek. Alright, so from interstate side, this will be the first place you come to where you can camp. Pretty decent space, you can fit a few rigs. Right by the creek here. Be a pretty decent place to stay. We just aired down, dropped down to 15 PSI. We're just gonna see how bad this rubs with the 37s. I think the front's bump stopped right, but the rear, we got 2-inch coils on it now. We're going to 4-inch energy coils and 150 pound rate. And hopefully that'll level it up. The rear sags because of the 37 on the back. And it's gonna be worse once we put the Atlas bumper and everything on it when it comes in. So I'm gonna see what I need to do for bump stops. This back here will be your second campsite. That's one I just came out of the creek on. This will be your third campsite. Going from the interstate. It's pretty decent. We camped there before, right by the creek. lot of pull-outs. So here we are waiting to go around. Here we got the Toyotas being the trail tampon. Oh, he's getting his whole crew out. It's too sketchy for them. They're gonna get out. It's a big rock. It's like 18 inches tall. Don't know however they're gonna do it. Come on, fun runner, you got this. Don't be a pussy, dude. Go.
These people like this make me nervous. Give me anxiety.
Should I hype them up and ask if they want me to drive it?
Dude just fucking busted his ass.
Yeah, he just fell. And there's the end of Hurricane Creek. Come up it, bang the left, take you towards Max Patch. That's Hurricane Creek in a gist.